Hello and welcome to The Chosen Few, the one and only place for you. My name is Isabelle Santine, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my brand new product, Steed, and giving you a little bit of a preview for it. So without further ado, let's jump in. In short, Steed is a Windows app that lets you mount any archive file on your computer as if it were a USB drive. Portable apps, project files, disk images, you name it, Steed can mount it and you can browse it as if it were a disk on your computer. I could talk all day about all the different features that Steed includes, but I just don't think that would click very well. So instead, I'm just going to walk you all through three different scenarios in which you might use Steed. So without further ado, let's get into scenario one. So the first thing we're going to do is run a portable application. So we're going to open a terminal here. And important to note is that the terminal version will be included in the final version, but it will also mainly run on a graphical user interface that hasn't been finished yet. So just be aware of that. So the first command I'm going to run here is a mount command. We're going to mount the portable application archive file. It's a 7-zip file. We're going to mount it under the D drive. So we've done that. And we can find it here. So we just run the application. And there we go. So we're going to enable automatic updates. Run through this setup here. And there we have it. All set up and ready to use. The second scenario we're going to run through is a pretty simple one. So suppose you have a macOS disk image that you would like to open directly rather than have it be in an archive program like 7-zip. So of course, the archive opens properly in 7-zip like we would expect. But in this case, we really want to mount it as a disk image itself. So we can do that with Steed. So we're just going to run this command quick. And there we go. We see the disk image here. And as you can see, it lists all the partitions as separate files. So next, what we can do is mount the partition of our choice. In this case, we're interested in the HFS partition. And there we go. We can access all of the data on the drive without ever having to extract it. The final scenario that I'm going to run through is mounting an encrypted zip file to a folder on the computer. So as you can see, we have this personal notes.zip. We have keep this safe, and we see that it requires a password. So Steed actually supports this. So let's go ahead and give it a go. So as you can see here, the mount command is being passed this password parameter, which in this case is just testing123. So we're going to go ahead and mount it. And we immediately see that the icon for this folder changed. And we go inside of it, and we can open any password protected file. In this case, we have this beautiful text file right here. So that's about it for this video, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this new product interests you. And if you have any more suggestions for maybe features you want to see, or maybe something that you want me to demonstrate additionally, let me know in the comments. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!